Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to copy Google Photos to external hard drive. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To copy Google Photos to an external hard drive, you can follow these general steps. Firstly, go to Google Photos website. Then choose the photos on albums you want to download. Then click on the three dots, More Options, in the upper right corner. Then choose Download. Hit on the Download button. Then find the downloaded file. Then hover over to find the option Show in Folder. And once you get here, go ahead and copy the folder. Then, connect your external hard drive. Paste the copied folder containing the downloaded photos from your PC to an external hard drive. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.